How to put YouTube video at WhatsApp status. And the very first thing that you want to do is of course locate that specific video in which you would like to get that as your WhatsApp status. Now open up YouTube app, then say for example you want this one, just go ahead and tap on share. Then in here just directly tap on copy link. And once you have copied the link, then you need to access your WhatsApp application. And here ensure that you're logged into your account so you can post your YouTube video as a status. Now head directly to updates and then currently tap on my status and choose text. In here just simply add random message from the status that you want and then just tap and hold on the screen and choose on paste. Now hit on enter again for the video to come out. And that's it. That's how you put YouTube video as your WhatsApp status.